Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarpin, PhD in accounting, and our topic today is descriptive statistics. We will not be focusing on the concepts of each descriptive statistics. Our focus will be on how to calculate it using Excel. So what we will be working with the mean or average, standard deviation, variance, median, mode, and count. So median is the average in a series of numbers. Standard deviation and the variance, they are the dispersion measures. And the deviation is the root square of variance. Median, uh, it is the middle number. So if we have a list of 11 numbers, our number 6 will be our median. So if we have a rank with top 11 something, the number 6 will be our median. It is the middle point. Mode. What is the numbers that we have the most? So the numbers that repeat most of times. If we are talking about accounting numbers, usually the mode is nothing. For instance, revenue, that is the one that we will be working with. It is very rare to find two companies with exactly the same revenues. And count how many numbers we have in our series or how many cases do we have. So let's go to our Excel file. Let me zoom it here. So here we have a bunch of companies, airline companies and other companies, and the total revenue. So let me make it better. So total revenue in thousands. We have such huge numbers here. And this is the numbers that you already have. So let's come here. And then here we are. So we have smaller numbers now. Oh, we have two ways to do that. The first one is using the data analysis add-ins that we have in Excel. Where do we find it? Data. It should be here, but it is not. Probably in your computer, you will not have it as well. Don't panic. It is here. It's only hidden. So let's show it. How do we do that? File, options. It doesn't matter your Excel version. It is the same. What changes is where this option is. Some Excel, it is here or at the bottom. And in other versions, it is around here. Okay. So options, add-ins, add-ins, Excel add-ins, go, and analysis toolpath. Okay, now we will have them. So here, data analysis. And let's work with this column here. So this one in yellow. Okay, data analysis. And let's go. Descriptive statistics here. And input range. So it is our yellow column here. So from C1 to C1, 65. On columns, our numbers, they are in columns. Labels in first row. The first row, Excel, when we check this one, we tell Excel the label is in first row. So this total revenue here is not a number. Okay. Output options. I don't want them in new worksheet. Let's put it here. Let's put it. Let's put it here. So it will start here. Then it will be easier for us to compare numbers. And what do we want? The summary statistics. Okay. And we have it. And let's format the number to currency. Cool. So what do we have here? Mean, our average, standard error. We usually don't use this one. So what do we use the most? And it will be the green ones. Mean, median, that is the central point. Mode, as I told you, nothing. Standard deviation and variance. See how variance is so large. And the standard deviation is greater than the mean. So we have a huge dispersion here. And count. So we have 164 companies here. Or we can do it using formulas. And I will explain you later why using formula is better. So average equal or mean average, and we select our numbers. Uh, okay, our mean here, the same mean over there. We're good. Standard deviation, STD, dev. Standard deviation 14 million, 14 million. We have a lot of standard deviations here, but there are some that will not be working in the older versions of Excel. So the formula STDev works in all of our Excels. The same as variance, equal var. And then here we have our variance. Let's format the number here. 208, a huge number here. Okay. Median equal median. And also our number here. And median, we have the same number. Modes equal modes. And again, we have more than one mode, but this only mode here will work for all of our Excel versions. Okay. So mode, where is it? Nothing here. And count, count. And here we have a lot of counts here. So if we are working with numbers, it is count or count A. That is the same. Okay, for numbers, usually. So count 164. What is the difference here? Let's check our companies. Oh, okay. We have one company here, Drone Delivery Canada Corp. Revenue, nothing. Probably this company is closed, or it is not a good company for our analysis. So let's delete it. Delete it. Let's double check if we have one more company or more than one company with revenue equals to nothing. Oh, one more here, Regional Express Holding. Again, let's delete this one. And okay, let's do it now. Uh, Here, oh, in mode, it was nothing because we have two companies with zero revenue. So that's why we have this zero. And now it's an A. We have no two equal numbers. And look here, average 7.5 instead of 7.4. That is why using formula is better. If we change any numbers here. So for instance, instead of $2 million for this first company, we change it for 50 million dollars. Formulas, it will change automatically. We don't need to do anything. The data descriptive stats on data analysis addings here, it doesn't change. We need to perform it again. So it is offline here. So it is not, and we can do F9, that usually how we refresh our numbers. It cannot be refreshed. Okay, so that's why avoid using these addings only if you are pretty sure that you will not be changing anything, or work with the formulas. Oh, here, minimum and maximum, and very good formulas as well. Let's add them here. Insert here minimum. So usually we do it before count, usually is our last one. Let's format. Okay, so minimum equal mean. There are some other formulas as well, but the mean is the easiest one. So minimum here, and our minimum was nothing because we had two companies with no revenue, but with the new sample 358. And the maximum equal max. We have our maximum here. So our maximum is okay, 84 million dollars. Which company is this one? 84. It is Boeing. Boeing is a huge one. So that's why we have a huge dispersion. We have huge companies like Boeing and is very small or smaller companies here. So we have a huge dispersion. Okay, guys, so that's it. Descriptive stats or basic stats, they are quite easy to do using Excel, much easier than working on papers with huge formulas or purchasing expensive calculators to perform it. Hey guys, so thank you so much. Subscribe our channel, like this video, like our Facebook page, Accounting Hub by Dr. Scarping. If you have questions or comments, leave it here or email me at jscarping@gmail.com. Have a very nice day and God bless you.